Does your Starlink internet connection sometimes drop out or lose connection? Did you know if you have a Starlink connected to your computer with Ethernet, you can connect another connection like DSL or cable over Wi Fi at the same time so you can stay connected even if your Starlink experiences dropout? First, you'll need to download Speedify to bond the two connections together. Speedify is the only app that lets you combine multiple internet connection sources into one bonded super connection for better speed, security, and reliability. Once you have Speedify installed and running, make sure you're connected to your Starlink Ethernet. Now, connect your other connection, click on the network settings in the system tray. You should see a drop-down menu to choose a second connection. Connect your Wi-Fi and watch the second connection show up in Speedify. Now, just click on the switch to turn on Speedify, and you'll be bonding your Starlink internet with your other connection for better speed, security, and reliability. That's it. Thanks for watching.